Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
Hey guys, Mark here from JBBG Guns. Let's take a look at these 303 mesh goggles. These are the smaller ones. These are like the glasses type ones. These aren't the full size goggles, which we do have as well on the website. These come in tan, green and in black. One strap, one adjuster I should say. The fixings on here are not adjustable, but they're great, they're fine. Let's try them on. Yeah, they feel good. So they're the 303 mesh goggles, the small goggles. Yeah, impressed with them, they're very good, they're very inexpensive. Take a look on the website now.